Hello, good people. We've come a long way. Welcome to day 12 of our daily Python test. Today we're going to be doing min-maxing, and simply put, we're going to create a function named largest difference. And what that function does is taking one parameter, which is the list, and it's going to subtract the largest number in that list from the smallest number in the list and return the answer as an integer. So for example, we have a function named largest difference, then we have a list 1 2 3. Then what it's going to do is it will take 3 and subtract 1 from it, so it's going to return 2. They also said we should assume that there is no number smaller than -100 or any number greater than 100. Of course, this won't really matter with the method we have today, method I know we're going to do this with. So let's get to work. First thing, we define our function, of course, largest difference. Now we're done with that. Then it takes in a list, let's just call it numbers. Then we're going to have to check for the largest number, so let's just create this variable called largest, and Python has this class that it ships with called max. So max numbers, what max will do is it's going to check through the list of numbers here and return here the largest number. We're going to do the same thing for the smallest number. So guess what class this one is going to be? Of course, min. So min and max, min-maxing. Guess that's where they got this name from. So now we've done that, all we're going to have to do left is return largest minus smallest, and that's all, just like magic. Now let's run code and see. Exactly, congratulations y'all, we did it. Keep coding. I'm going to drop the link to this challenge in the description below. If you have a better method, an alternative method around doing this, a faster way, something more efficient, whatever, even though it's just alternative, or you just tweak something, comment it in the section below. I've seen a few comments as such, and I really appreciate them. Keep coding, keep being your best self, and try out this challenge with this link I sent below. See you tomorrow. Bye.